Hey guys, it's SKIMMO here, and today I'm going to show you what I just got from the post office. So I got a package from Amazon, and let's check what's inside. Let's open it up. Okay. It's a HD video capture card. So it should have 1080p 60 Hz support. Also it has 3.5 millimeter mic input. Also the earphone input, and also it has a Type-C output. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oops. So some instructions. Should be easy to use. And the next thing, what I see, Type-C cable. Also there is another cable, Type-C to Type-A. And the last thing that we have here is the capture card itself. It's a pretty small one. USB Type-C input, 3.5 millimeter jacks, and also there is HDMI in and HDMI out. Pretty small, to be honest. And I bought it from Amazon. As you can see, this is the actual thing that I got, and it costs about 40 euros with shipping to Estonia from UK. And it will capture 1080p with 60 FPS. It should work similar to Elgato's HD60 S, which is 190 euros. This costs only 40 euros, so it's much cheaper than the Elgato's, and it should be a really good alternative. I bought that because some months ago I bought this capture card from AliExpress for 10 euros, and it says that it's 1080p 60 FPS, but actually my camera doesn't support 60 FPS with that capture card, and actually I'm using it right now. And also it has only HDMI port to USB 3. So I wanted a new one that supports 1080p 60 FPS. So I will try that one out, and also this could be used for dedicated streaming PC for capture card. Not only for the camera, but for streaming PC as well, because it has HDMI in and HDMI out. So yeah, let's test it out and compare it with the cheap one from AliExpress. So I'm back, and I'm now using Mirabox 4K capture card with 1080p 60 frames per second. As you can see, that should be much smoother than the other one, and I don't use that one anymore. The quality looks a little bit better. I will make the comparison for you so you can check it out in the video. But yeah, that's the 40 euro capture card for your streaming setup, or if you just want to use capture card and you have dedicated streaming PC for example. For this price point, I think it's really good alternative for Elgato HD60 S, which is much pricier than this one. I leave the Mirabox capture card link down below so you can check it out or order by yourself. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.